Hmm. So I do hear a woodpecker for sure. They do that a lot. They'll like fly but not go really anywhere of anywhere. I do hear the woodpecker over here for sure. Oh, he's close. Where the fuck are you? Yes, I hear you. Sounds like you are in that tree. Maybe you're way the fuck back there. I do hear him. What is that thing again? What is that? It's like literally the second time I've seen him. So he's somewhere probably. That sector. Because of all of the wood or whatever. Not a cat. Oh, they're pretty, whatever they are. Oh, these rocks are like the rubber tree, but these rocks are dangerous, dude. I took 5 of them home the other night. And I put them in some water to wash them off. And dude, let me tell you, they were like fucking disgusting. Literal, figurative, all of it. Really bad. Like so bad we shouldn't even have picked it up. Type shit. Kind of sucky. It kind of looks like a tooth. You don't want to touch those. Good morning. Two of you. Okay, then you can say, like, for certain. I wonder did that waiting bird ever make it back, because I don't know if he did. He might have, actually. What's he doing? I don't even know if we got him. Oh, my back hurts. So we got us some of the good sunlight. I don't know how I'm so bad at figuring out where the damn thing is and is not.